Now, we all know the S55 is probably one of the worst sounding BMW engine ever. However, there is one way to fix this sound. And today, alongside with Travis from TM Fab at Beamer Speed, we're gonna fix the sound of Jet. There's a lot of work left to do on this car to make it sound as good as I want it to sound. However, this is the start, and I believe in a couple months it will be the best sounding S55 ever. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. I haven't picked up this camera literally in like, I don't know, like it's been over 2 months since I picked up my camera. Today, as y'all can see in the title, we are fixing the sound of the M4. I'm finally doing some exhaust work. I would like the exhaust to be a little bit louder, so some exhaust work was definitely needed, which is what we're going to be taking care of today. We're actually doing a custom single mid pipe by Travis at Beamer Speed. Did put the red DRL. Now, I did get pull over for that. And with me getting pull over for that, they asked me to take them off. I did it, and last time I got pulled over, it was right by Adrian's shop. And we're heading back there today. Let's actually open the valves. Alright, so we just finished doing gas. We're actually almost at the shop. So I'm gonna bring my window down a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all some sound clip of the exhaust. I don't know if y'all can even hear the pops. That's the only thing. I'll say those cars are fucking quick, bro. They're quick. They are quick, I tell you that. Full E, honestly, once I go full E on this car, I think I should be able to make 600. I think I'll be able to make 600. Let's see. It's not loud. It is not loud. Alright, we are actually now at the shop. Travis is actually pulling the M4 in. Can't wait to see what she's gonna sound like, honestly. Give it a couple rev. Beamer Speed and Travis are the spot. If y'all in West Palm, Miami, or anything, and y'all need any work done on y'all European car, they do more than European car, but mainly European car. Y'all want a 2 JZ swap, y'all want a anything, honestly, come through. they're gonna get you right. So
all right, so tell us about this, Travis.
So what I do here in-house at the Beamer Speed facility, I make all my custom reducers, whether they be bigger or smaller. So basically what we have going on here is we have 2.5-inch pipe that's going to a Y. The Y pipes that I had made are only 3-inch, and I'm going to make a 3.5-inch section in the mid pipe. So with that being said, I had taken a 3-inch pipe, cut it on both sides, put it over at the press, and used a cone to make my concentric reducer. These are called eccentric reducers or concentric reducers. Essentially what this happens, how this is made, is you take a cone, you put it in a press, and it widens the area of where you need. So as of right now, this circumference is 3.5 or 3.5-inch diameter. This side is 3.25 because the Y pipes that I had made, if you want to come over here, they're a little bit bigger over in this section here. So what this allows me to do is just have a nice tight seam weld right there, boom. Basically after this will be welded on, 3.5 will be all the way added here, back to the 3.5 in the back, and then obviously back to a 3-inch reducer as well off the Y.
This is the old exhaust, or old mid pipe really, with the secondary cats, aka secondary cats, and then the fat ass resonator. I mean, if anybody want this, you can come pick it up. I don't fucking need that.
What's going on, brother?
Tell them a little bit about your business, man.
You know, we do auto detailing. My name's JJ with JJ Details. And
JJ
I've been
Peanut
in business for about a year and some change now, a year and like 3 months. And we go all over the place, stationed in Boynton. You know, we go all the way from Port St. Lucie all the way down to Miami. And yeah, just trying to take care of all my family and everybody that needs their car done.
All right, so this is a single turbo M4 with the AOS system that Travis will eventually be putting on Jet. I seen the under the hood. That's actually the picture I have on my Instagram when I tagged you guys.
Oh, got you. Oh, speaking of which, I gotta pick up the pipe thing. We redid the piping on it.
Oh shit! But listen to how that shit sounds. Meaty ass tires. And bro, I'm telling you,
custom made.
With Adrian, there's always something fucking custom made, bro.
It's not tuned yet.
It's Valve with the AOS. exhaust is almost done. As y'all can see, we have the 3-inch going all here right now. All we need is that section, honestly. This is an exhaust also made by Travis, his signature AOS. This is for Adrian RS3, which he just got a turbo in for, and that shit sounded nuts. If shot flame, I'm gonna see if I can find some clip. The shot flame sounded fucking nuts. So my exhaust is over there, actually almost fucking completed. Like, look at that. And here she is. Travis is doing a little bit of cleaning, but that single mid pipe look neat. The exhaust is finally complete. I can see the welds. Look at the beads on there. Tell y'all, Travis did more than a good job, bro. This is perfection right there. All right, now is the time.
It's gonna be a ripper.
Hell
It's
yeah.
gonna sound good too.
I can still fucking smell the tires that was just burnt like about half an hour ago. And I'm gonna go hang out with the, what, damn, why is it so zoomed in on me? Whoa. I'm gonna actually go hang out with the homies. I have the 360 in the back actually recording, so let's get a cold start. Well, a warm start tomorrow morning. Honestly, I'm gonna make sure I record when I leave for work, so I can get y'all a true cold start and how it look, how it sound. But not bad. Exhaust sounds nice. Yes, it is. It sounds so fucking good, bro. This car is officially a TM Fab and Beamer Speed car. All work being done at Beamer Speed, so. Wait, rev a little bit?
With the valve closed? Oh shit. Yeah, nah, there's a big difference.
It even gives me a limiter with the valve closed now.
Oh my god, the idol. Oh fuck yeah, nah, yeah. That shit sounds. Oh. Oh. Yes, I want to hear that shit from the inside. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, he did you right. Yeah, let's go to the mall. He did you right. Oh my god, it's just on top. Bro, the intake too, bro. Oh my god, that shit ought to be fucking sexy. That shit about to be sexy. Bro, downshift sounds so fucking aggressive now.
This shit actually genuinely sounds fucking
It
nice.
sounds nice, bro.
The downpipe?
It's gonna make it fucking extravagant.
Oh, turbo noise?
Oh shit!
Mm-hmm.
You didn't get a down pop. You didn't get. Oh shit!
That's just the single mid pipe.
Okay.
It's that burbles. Oh my god, that shit sounds so sexy.
Alright, so I have my cameraman Manu in the back of the cam. Y'all just heard a couple drive through of the car. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. I'm also gonna drop the POV from the 360. Honestly, I want to say shout out Travis, shout out Beamer Speed. Y'all see the exhaust. This shit is nice as heck. I did not expect it to come out that well because the past couple hours, honestly, my head has been throbbing. Like y'all saw earlier, Adrian was revving that bike. So I didn't even really hear the difference until I really started driving it like with the homies. And I don't know if it's because they're hyping me up or if it's because my head started calming down a little bit, but I can finally hear the exhaust. And it sounds fucking nuts. Like genuinely, it sounds fucking nuts. Like, I don't know, man. Like I said, once that muffler is off with the AOS, custom AOS system, this shit gonna be fucking loud.
Oh,
but
the idol.
tell me this doesn't sound like a tiger. A Siberian tiger, a lion, what you think he said? Like
It's aggressive for sure.
what animal, if you had to pick an animal, twin, come in the video real quick.
No, definitely for sure a Siberian tiger.
Siberian tiger?
The roar for sure.
What about you, man? What you thinking?
Definitely.
Definitely Siberian.
Siberian tiger?
Siberian tiger for sure.
Not a lion.
Not a lion, Siberian tiger.
I mean,
Yeah.
Darth Vader vibes, nigga.
Alrighty, YouTube. So, this is to finish off the video. It's been a couple days actually since I put the exhaust. It's been really good. It's been really good. 360 clips are bad, and the video I took with the homies is bad. Now, I fabricated a fluff thing for the mic, so hopefully that helped with the wind. All right, so I'm gonna give y'all a warm start, just so y'all can kind of remember what it sounds like. And I figure out how to always have my exhaust open when I start it up in the morning. So it don't sound loud right now. Usually sound a little louder, but alright, so y'all saw the clip. Hopefully y'all got good sound out of it with the fluff mic on. But I was in the area and I stopped at Mr. Beamer Speed, you know, where the cars become holy. And he just finished the exhaust on his R8. That shit looks nice.
Do we need more lighting?
I can work with that. So this is the fucking exhaust. That's class. Oh, can't fucking believe I just witnessed that, bro. This car is nuts. Like, honestly, this car is fucking nuts. Like, I just got to experience it, and it's just so fucking loud. It's just,
It sounds so nice. The turbo spool, everything. No, this car is nuts. I think this takes cracking. This takes cracking. See, I didn't know who was the man behind the magic. This is Travis. This is Adrian. This is the owner. All right. Same owner as Kraken. This is him. Same person who fab Kraken exhaust.
Yep.
This is him. And this is George. Just chilling.
George is our media guy. He's also the idea man. This was his idea to run the dumps like this.
Shout out George with
This was honestly, I would have never thought of something like that. I guess the main idea was that we saw this, was it a Huracan or STO? What was it that at Texas 2K that had the turbos that had they were reversed and they came up. So they had the turbos mounted the other way around, and they had the downpipes coming from like up top, which was freaking sick. But then Travis obviously made, you know,
his own concoction. You know, if y'all look in there, y'all can always see TM Fab always in there.
We're gonna put a plate right here on the X pipe. It's gonna be right here, and it's gonna have a TM Fab logo right in this area.
Hey.
Yeah. So that way they know who did the work.
Kraken or the R8? Be honest.
In my personal opinion, the R8 would put a gap on the Kraken like no tomorrow. The way this car shifts, the way it moves.
What about sound? Which exhaust do you love the most?
I'm not gonna lie, Kraken will win the exhaust competition every time round with that 5-inch megaphone that we did with a little JDM tilt. But at the end of the day, you know, this is an X pipe, so it crosses across, you know, scavages in between the banks, pulses in between, you know, each type of idle time. With that being said, if I had to pick one car over the other, this car would definitely be faster than the Kraken, but the Kraken's obviously gonna be way louder, way more aggressive. That JDM motor, man, you can't beat it.
Can't beat it. This was the vid for the F82 exhaust. I'm adding the R8 here because I'm still getting clips, but I'm missing my sticker. I'm missing my sticker.
I got you.
So I need my Travis, my TM Fab sticker on the M4, and I think that would be the perfect ending touch for that beautiful exhaust that he produced. Y'all seen it. Y'all seen what he produced here. It's just straight magic, straight up.
There you go.
Yes, sir. Hey, we're gonna have them on the car. This is about to be nice. Like I said, as always, drive safe, enjoy your car, keep going at it, and I'll catch you in the next video.